crumbs. Now we will prepare our dish. First, we add the milk into the egg. Then we mix.
Is it satisfying? Yeah. Because it goes like, whoa, but how? It looks like it's
Kids, do you remember how we did?
Yeah, I remember the video.
It's the same procedure. So, but before we begin, we have to tell our friends that this chicken breast has already been seasoned. Okay, but before we seasoned it, we sliced it into like this butterfly slice.
Wow.
Pounded it. Seasoned it with a little salt and pepper.
Wait.
And for a healthier...
Wait, Mommy, did you see a butterfly?
Yes.
Because there's butterflies over there.
Correct. Butterflies just flew around in our house. Okay, so to say it again, this chicken breast has been pounded already and seasoned with a little bit of salt, pepper, and to make it healthier, okay, we have put a dash of moringa, or we call it malunggay powder, because we all know that malunggay is really very healthy, especially for kids. Okay, so yes, po. Yes, Anna. You can discard this one.
What is this for?
Like,
This one,
put it away.
Oh.
Okay,
Now put it
so, no, put it near me, Anna, because we are, feel one cheese, okay?
No, don't.
So, we're going to make, not yet, later,
Oh.
before we run out of cheese. Yes. No.
Wait, why do you have to cut it into butterfly shapes?
So that it is thinly cut and it is more tender and juicier when you cook it. Okay. Okay, so you just roll it around like this.
Can I try to? This is just like the other video. With the...
Yes, it's similar, but this one is you can use it as an appetizer or as a dish. Later po, anak, later. Okay?
He's obsessed with cheese.
So we're just going to
I'll give you a cream cheese later.
set it aside like this. Going to cut
This
this.
one be for me.
Wait po, anak ko.
She absolutely loves cheese. Even with pizza or cheese manakis. She always asks me, Kuya, can I have some cheese from your pizza? I always have to peel it for her. She's a cheese.
Leave it to me. There will be something there for you, anak.
Not give me some cream cheese later.
Yay!
I think there is. If there is.
So, just like that. See?
Why?
That already looks yummy.
This is really so yummy.
It's so thick.
So you can already see. She's so excited.
Give me one more hole.
Why there's a hole?
It's okay. It will here.
So we can also cut it like
Yay! Woo!
She's always excited when it breaks because she'll have a little of the cheese.
That's true. So we're doing this so that all parts have the ham and the cheese.
That already looks yummy.
And this one too.
She's already unlocking the second cheese. Oh, she's very happy when a cheese breaks because she gets the extra sandwiches. Like any cheese she can get her hands on. Like any. Except for blue cheese.
Ew. She doesn't like blue cheese.
It's good. It's good.
But it's smelly.
It just smells like
Which
that.
one? Because that's like fermented.
Oh, Aika's lucky. Look how much cheese there is.
But you can get because we have some more
She-
over there.
she has
Stop
a-
muna, anak. Later po, later.
She has a limit of cheese. Her limit.
All we need to do is, I will do it for you guys because it's quite messy. But you can do
I
the,
fold it and then it will
rolling.
be a tube.
you can do the rolling on the floor. Okay? So, I will just leave it like that.
Don't get your hands wet.
Soak your hands. But,
The cheese is so poor.
okay, so I'm gonna put
Poor
it here.
cheese. Can I roll it?
Give me muna this one. anak.
The way you looked at me.
Okay, see?
No cheese.
So once you roll it on the floor, you have to put it back again here. Bathe it again on our milk and egg mixture and drop it here. Okay, now it's your turn to cover
Can I
it
try?
with...
Next
Do
one.
that, anak. Cover it na lang like that.
Can I
That's
try?
right.
Kuya, you will do it.
Yes.
Next one.
Oh, see?
I'll get one more spoon. So, it's just
Wait,
like
there's
that.
That's okay. Give it to me. Where did the cheese go?
I kept it from the mouse.
Can I have one now?
Okay.
Yeah!
Oh.
The only thing that you can sister have, right?
I'm gonna get a golden microwave it. Kuya, I'm gonna need your help.
You always need my help.
Later po, anak.
Can I?
Come on.
Do that later, my love. Let's finish this first.
I think that's the moringa powder.
That's okay. Oh, kuya, your job.
Yes.
It's my turn.
Kuya, and then your turn. Later, we just need to chill this for like 15 minutes. Yeah, this will be very quick. After that, we can already fry this.
Baby. Oh, yeah.
Buy now, buy one get one free for this. She's
Her sister is busy with her cheese. Be careful, you hold this up.
Hello.
Okay.
That cheese got stuck.
Okay, now the next step would be
I know. To eat cheese.
no, we're just going to put these in a cling wrap before we chill them in the fridge so that our chicken will settle and won't
Get dirty.
when we cook it. There's no more need to use a toothpick because it will not stick. We're doing this so that it settles and is ready for frying.
Sausage.
Okay, kids, next time, our next step, we're just going to chill this in the fridge for like 15 minutes. So it settles, and then after 15 minutes, we are ready to fry and get ready for lunch.
Sausage.
Okay? See you later. Okay, now 15 minutes is over. Actually, more than 15 minutes that we have chilled our chicken. Yeah. So, Mommy has already heated this pan. And we're just going to put...
What is this?
That's a tong. We're just going to put a little olive oil. We're not going to deep fry it because deep fry is not healthy. Yeah? So, we're just going to put a little olive oil in our pan. And
We
when
want
it's
this
hot,
to be a healthy video.
we're going to put our...
Wait, what's the
Shield
only three? What's the other ones?
There's still the fish and later we're going to get.
Can I feel it?
Can I?
It smells good.
And
Actually, it smells
put your palm here. You'll feel that.
That's hot.
So that means
Hot versus cold. Cool.
see, it has settled now.
Can I
That means
try?
even
Can I
when
try?
we fry it, no, anak, mommy, it's dangerous. It will not open or spread. Okay? So I'm going to. There you go.
Some crumbs are leaving.
We are cooking this or frying this in a very low heat to make sure that our chicken is cooked. Plus, chicken breast is easily cooked anyway, so I'm sure you're gonna love this.
Of course, why not?
And half is only for cooking. Okay, so let's just wait for a while, maybe like 10 minutes maybe, and that side is cooked until it's golden brown.
Whoa!
That side is already cooked. Yeah?
Awesome!
Yeah. Okay.
Can you check the others?
See? It's already brown.
Goldenish brown.
Goldenish brown. Yeah?
Nice, right?
Hello.
So we're just going to make sure all sides are cooked.
Yeah.
So another, maybe shorter than 10 minutes.
Yay! Let's eat it. Delicious food I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Now I'm so hungry. My
Yeah.
tummy
Let's just cook it for maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Be ready on the table.
No.
And this will be served with you shortly.
This looks yummy.
Ready, set the table, baby.
Okay. It's already set, Ma.
And now it's the best time ever. It's tasting time.
But Priya, before we eat, we have to pray.
Okay.
Now let's take another eat. Let's eat now. Yay! I'm so excited.
Actually, I did not think you would taste like that meat, but you don't. It just explodes with flavor. And it's so good. So delicious. I want to have it every day. This might be also my new favorite. My Japanese favorite. So good. This is really delicious. It's so tasty. I know, right? Friends, you should really try this recipe. I recommend you'll never ever regret it. And if you want more recipes like this, don't